Hey guys, in this full guide, I'll show you how to use CapCut on PC in 2026. So whether you want to edit YouTube videos, TikToks, Reels, or gaming clips, yeah, this tutorial will walk you through the basics step by step. First, download CapCut for PC from the official website and complete the installation process on your computer. After installation finishes, launch CapCut from your desktop or Start menu and wait for the editor to load. Now click New Project to start editing a video. This opens the main editing workspace and timeline. Once your editing is finished, click Export in the top right corner. Then choose your resolution and video quality settings before saving the final video. After exporting, your video will save directly to your PC. So you can upload it to YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, or anywhere else you want. And that's basically how to use CapCut on PC in 2026. Now you can edit videos with effects, music, text, and smooth transitions directly from your computer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.